In this video, we will be doing part 2 of relating rational exponents to radicals. Let's look at more patterns. According to the rule on the right, raising a number to the exponent 1/4 is the identical process to finding the fourth root of the number. In other words, the fourth root of x equals x to the exponent 1/4. So, can this apply to a power with a rational exponent in decimal form? Let's simplify 81 to the exponent 0.25. 0.25 is 1/4. So this is 81 to the 1/4, which is the fourth root of 81, which we know to be 3. So we're done. So what about 81 to the exponent 0.75? Well, this would be 81 to the exponent 3/4. To answer this, we need to consider two approaches. We can write 3/4 as 1/4 times 3, or 3 times 1/4. So knowing this, we need to look at more patterns. Let's look at this with our two methods. Keeping in mind in the upper right-hand corner our power to a power rule. Let's look at 81 to the 3/4. We can write this as 81 to the 1/4 times 3, and then 81 to the 1/4 all to the 3, and 81 to the 1/4 is the fourth root of 81, all cubed, and the fourth root of 81 is 3, so this is 3 cubed, which is 27. Let's look at this with our second method. 81 to the 3/4 can be written as 81 to the exponent 3 times 1/4, which is 81 cubed all to the 1/4, which is the fourth root of 81 cubed, which is the fourth root of 531,441, which happens to be 27. So these methods lead to an equivalent answer. So here's our conclusion. The nth root of a to the m, where the radicand is a to the m, is equal to a to the exponent m divided by m. And the nth root of a all to the m is also equal to a to the exponent m divided by n. Let's do some practice. Evaluate each power without using a calculator. Look in the upper right-hand corner. The nth root of a all to the m equals a to the exponent m divided by n. Note that m has to be greater than 0, n has to be greater than 0, and a can't be 0. Let's look at a. This can be written, according to the rule on the right, as the cube root of 125 all to the 2. The cube root of 125 is 5, so that's 5 squared. My final answer is 5 squared, which is 25. Let's look at b. According to the rule in the upper right, this is the fourth root of 16 all to the 3. The fourth root of 16 you should know to be 2, so this is 2 cubed, and my final answer is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. For c, this is equivalent to the fifth root of negative 32 all cubed. You should know that the fifth root of negative 32 is negative 2. So negative 2 all cubed, which is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8. For d, we can rewrite the 0.49 as 49 over 100. So this is the square root of 49 over 100 all to the 3. The square root of 49 is 7. The square root of 100 is 10. So this is 7 over 10 all to the 3. 7 cubed is 343, and 10 cubed is 1,000. And that's our final answer. Please proceed to the next video in this lesson, and thank you for viewing.